going in. So we're gonna have to wear masks. We're in. Gonna go bowl. What's up? So we just pay and we're just gonna go ahead and get our shoes. We're gonna go pay and we're getting ready to get our size for our shoes. Nathan bring his new car today. What's up? I be careful. All right, we're getting our pick up our shoes. Bunso, go get your shoes. We're gonna change our shoes. So, kuha natin ang ating shoes. I don't think Nathan, what size is that? Any? 8?
8.
Okay. You think so? That one is 10.
Those are yours.
Okay.
Come on.
Right here. Where's yours, son? Are you not going? Alright.
Come on, buddy.
Alright.
here.
Are you not gonna bowl any? Okay. So it's just gonna be me and Nathan gonna bowl. Ken doesn't want to bowl. This is bothering him. So we're gonna go on our lanes, which is the 63 way over there. Your bowling shoes. Nathan is gonna put on his bowling shoes for the first time. It's video Daddy and Nathan. So that's his bowling shoes. Does it fit, honey?
Yes. Wait right on.
Well, yeah, this is 10. Nathan's shoes on the bowling is 8. And I got 7.
You gonna walk in your bowling shoes?
There's your bowling shoes. Are you excited, Nathan?
Hold
What's
on.
up?
Wait. Find your ball.
Daddy's gonna find a ball. Okay, Daddy's punching our name on the board or on our monitor.
Bumpers out. Hold on. Put it down for a second.
Nathan is excited. This first time Nathan gonna throw the
Up
ball.
here. Come on, up here. Up here. Up here. Come here.
There you go. Yay! Oh, so which one? Okay, that's Nathan's ball. You got two.
Now you're ready. Now you're ready.
Yay!
Yeah. So look.
Look at your ball. Yay!
It's like this.
This one is heavy, what's up? Mommy's turn. It's my turn, right? Okay.
Uh-huh.
Get your ball out right here. Not that one, just this one. The green one is your ball. All right, hold it. It's heavy?
Yeah, mommy's heavy. Okay, push. There it goes. There it goes.
Yay! Good job. High five. What's a high five? Good job. Okay, one more. Go get more.
Go get.
Get your green goal.
Here you go.
Green one. You come here. Move a little. No, other side. Right here.
Come on. No, come here. You want to go? It's all over the place right now.
All right.
Okay, go again.
Yay! Good job.
Watch mommy. No, just wait. Mommy's turn. Just wait. What did I say? Just a minute.
Okay. The more?
Just wait a minute. You're gonna. Go, stay here.
Okay. You excited? Okay. Okay. Ready? And go. Good job. Yay! One more,
Go one more time.
One more time.
Green ball. That's it. Green ball. Green ball. Spot this time.
Okay, be careful. You ready? Good job. Yay! Good job. High five. High five. High five, Daddy.
Here we go.
Get your green one. Okay, throw it hard. Look at the ball. Good job. Strike. Ooh, Nisa got a strike. Yay. Good job. High five, Daddy. High five. Very good.
Mommy's turn.
I think it's still him. Ready, guys? So, Nathan beat me, guys. Nathan got 84 and I have 72. So you win, Musa. You win! Yay! Give me 5. Good job.
Hold the card.
Put him back his shoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and change my shoes too. Stay here, Nathan. And We gotta bring back our shoes. So we're going out now, guys. So we're done.